I'm recording. Gee, you're a big boy now. Oh my God. This is so nice. Hey, looking down. Oh, just like little Grace.
Stella?
Easy. Oh, growing up. Oh, this is all very nice. Oh.
Well, you can all come inside and sit down if you want to rest or out here, whatever you want.
Sorry.
Gracie?
Sorry.
Gracie?
It's a coconut.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Stop laughing. Sophie's not grumpy.
Hi, Grace.
Wave the camera.
Hello.
Everything looks very nice, eh? Very impressive.
The mobile.
I know, but we got things down here this week. I rang up and they said, oh, they're coming over. I said,
Auntie Lena.
hi, sweetheart. Oh, I'll just get one little kiss. He's so
Can you like get lost?
Oh, what would
For me.
I gave him a kiss and he cried. I think Mouse is your handsome. Sorry,
Coconuts. Are you really filming? Yeah. I don't like Melody. Mel.
You'll come here, Duchess. Come here and tap it on to Auntie. Come over here. Come over here, Duchess.
I am recording.
Thank you.
Okay. All the things I'm really
Okay, it's still full. Gabriel.
I'm laughing at your smile. I can't go inside. Your great grandma smile.
Gabriel.
I'm so worried to be here with my family.
Grace.
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 Say hello, Emma. Say hello to Beth and Kurt. Say hi, Bethy. Hi, Kurtie. We're going to show them too.
Oh, that's nice.
Isaac.
Oh.
You look cross-eyed. For that, I want to show more of you.
You made a big hand.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, how are you?
I'm very well, thank
Oh,
you.
what's wrong, darling? What's wrong? What's wrong?
We're here. That's the main thing. We made it. And what a fabulous celebration too.
Hi, darling.
This one. Oh,
Melinda.
that's all.
How are you?
Yes, yeah.
Angelique. Hi, Umpa. Look at him. Angels. He's aged wonderfully.
Get on camera away from me.
Ooh. Look at his face.
Aussie one.
Hello.
Peace. That one.
Hello. How are you, Paul? Oh God.
Right on my birthday, I think we'll be boarding the plane.
She's dancing with the grandmother.
Oh, okay.
How's the baby?
Grumpy, angry and tired. Like Homer.
Gabriel. Hello. He's looking at my drink. Look at young grandpa.
Even younger.
What's fuzzy?
Yeah, it is him.
Not me.
Look at him.
And here he is in person. Hi, Della.
Hi, Emma.
Excusez-moi. This is Andrew's house. Just in case you didn't know. These are the decorations by me and Della. Not very interesting, but anyway. They don't know I'm recording. I'm a bad woman.
Australian funny take video.
Wait, everyone's going to be drunk by the end of this party. These are the kids, of course.
My mum's serious face.
There's my grandmama, or our grandmama, and little face. And there's the Suki Gabriel.
Yeah, not evil one.
There's Robert and yes, the parents of little Gracie and Bethany Kurt. Hi Beth and Kurt if you're watching.
Not the parents.
We wish that you would be here, but you're not. I don't mean that in a mean way, but you know. Oh yeah, by the
It's a good
way,
way to send a message to them.
I'm recording most of this, so.
Are you now?
Are you recording?
Yes.
That's just embarrassing.
A coconut fell.
Who fell? You? Oh, that was the worst comeback ever.
I see I stuffed it. Oh, look at that. Should we just stop recording now? Hey Gabriel! Gabriel! Gabriel!
I think they're coming, but I don't know when.
Oh, there's plenty of food.
They might be cruising. I mean, they might be being at roads over the aisle.
Still looking at the plate.
Where somebody asked me if I was having a sale. When I guys start filming, like on the balconies.
The battery's halfway, so I have to turn it off until items start.
I didn't even try it.
Oh crap, I forgot to stop it.
Did you get that?
I missed the surprise, eh?
I didn't realise that, no.
She's saying hello to her. She's the Bruce.
How much is left?
There's an hour film.
Pretty spiffy.
That's why I haven't spoken because I knew I couldn't help but tell you. We banned her. That's they banned me. It was hard. Oh my God!
We need filming, bro.
Want to heat it up with the items?
Didn't bloody
Oh yeah.
Don't you hate it when people like play on the drums and beat and
Yeah. Oh, I want to see a bomb. I do. I like her dress. My mom, I need your love and baby.
then it got mold in it. Say my mom died of brown.
Love it. Is that nicer now?
Hi Grace.
Grace. Grace.
I can't imagine it being back.
You had all your goes.
It was all these different colours? Oh, right. So that stayed the same. It's really nice.
Hello. Oh, I gotta record this.
I just walked in to find you here
it first.
How long is it?
It's number.
How long?
About 20 minutes. I'll tell you when there's like 5.
And I'll do that, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna think. My spot's well. Hidden away, you see.
Go, my boys. Hey! Introduce my grandson. Melody! Introduce my grandson.
When it goes down to 5 to land, it's like a
5? Where?
There's 19 there.
Oh, okay.
When it goes down to 5,
You're not taking it while yelling at him.
Yep.
I'm trying to encourage him.
This is Ezekiel Filippo Elefosio Sasani.
Kept everything out there. You can hardly hear the kids.
Yeah, right. Don't talk about it. Don't talk about it.
Oh, a song for him. He thinks it's grandpa when he sings it. That's what he got upset.
Just
Yeah, but this song is called Predictable.
Well, this skill should be on the stage.
Now that was a beautiful rendition.
Yes.
Now we have Mike. This is from a Lizzie McGuire movie, one of Bella's favourite little movies. So we're going to sing it together and Emma's going to help us.
I want to be the boy. I'm the boy.
Yes, ready, please, Mr. Music. Miss Stella. Sing to all of us. To your grandfather. Now you won't hear it.
Have you The shines so bright. When I see you smiling, I go, oh, oh, oh. I would never want to miss this. In my heart, I know what this is. This is where dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of. I got somewhere to belong. I got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of.
How do you fast forward it in?
I do love Christmas. The shining so bright. When I see you smiling, I go, oh, oh, oh. People want to listen. In my heart, I know what this is. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of. I've got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. Have you ever remembered how life was over? You could search so hard and never figure it out. You don't have to stay on the ocean. No, no, no. This is no mystery. It's here and now. It's you and me. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of. I've got somewhere to belong. I've got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made of. Open your eyes. Shout to the sky. To see you smiling, I go, oh, oh, oh. Just the day my life was color. Now everything's technicolor. This is a dream for me. This is a dream for me. I've got somebody to love. This is a dream. This is a dream.
While Zeke's still getting his nerves back, let me call you now. Come on,
baby. I know you're wondering about the road cross.
You ready?
He's waiting for it.
Oh, let's go. Stand up. You ready? Where's Grandpa? Oh, here he is.
You go and play with them sometime, or do they come over?
Remember the tambourine?
Make her You're doing really well considering how silly everyone is. Another
camera battery's gone, so anything that's next I can't record, and there's both. Oka.
Oh, I thought you put in the rum in the beer.
Did you change the tape?
Oh, Lena, would you like another drink? Excuse me.
Andrew, and it's a big woman. He said, well, how do you reckon I block one of Andrew's punches? And I said like this.
We're going to start the show.
Dino's up.
Oi! Hey, right. I want that before they go.
I know you wanna leave me. I refuse to let you go. To beg, please, for your sympathy. I don't mind, 'cause you mean that much. You got to beg me for your sympathy. Well, I heard a crying man who's half a man, no sense of pride. They down, forgot the words. I wanna keep you. Anyway, I can ain't too much to bear. Ain't too miles to go. On your doorstep all night and day, just to keep you from walking away. Your friends laugh, even this I can stand, 'cause I don't wanna keep you. Everything I can ain't too much to
Come on, Damien.
Don't have to.
And now it is my little brother.
Dreams about my pride. And I hide. True love existed. The love I can't resist. So turn by my side. Jamming, 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 jamming. I wanna jam it with you. Jamming, jamming, jamming.
Keep the music going,
Play anything. Not very well. Hey, get out.
Guy who thinks he's fine, he's also known as a buster.
Come on, I can do it.
All right, everyone, attention, please. Let me pull it together here.
And the smoking stalls, Uncle Andrew?
Main answer.
We've got
I have to talk. I have to say something.
a collective of people.
She done that. I'm just getting everyone to settle down.
So if you can have everyone's attention, please.
Yeah, we didn't fully charge. When it starts flashing.
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
What do you think of the items so far? What do you think of the items so far?
I think very good.
Hello, everyone. We've got a song for our beautiful, beautiful man Lima, who we're all here for today.
Yeah.
And as we know, everyone loves Lima, and he's just a big part of our world and our lives. So we wrote the song for you last night because we love you so much. All of us. Tātou whiawhia tele, wa au mai le malanga i le vaalele. Se tātou whapitai le atua, o tau nuu ma le manuia. O le ale ainga o tua lima sangi. O le toa loa o lo uso o teawa. O lo tuangange ave atu le whawhitai le atua. Pea e singara ulu, pea malosi laonganga. O lo tuanganga ngange, o tua lima sasangi. O le tama o Samoa, o tua lima sasangi.
No.
How can we top that?
So now Emma Holly has to come top that.
No. Pass me the camera. Chris Paul's
That was beautiful. Whoa! That just brings us back to
I don't know why I didn't come. I left you by the house of fun. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come.
good to be on the stage.
When the stars break the day, I wish that I could fly away. Standing here beneath the sun, catching teardrops in my hand. My heart is drenched in wine. Will you? I will die in ecstasy, but I'll be that once driving down the road alone. Heart is drenched in wine. Will you? I don't know why I didn't come. Feels empty as a drum. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come.
Oh, that bloody fantastic.
Excuse me, we're going to have a little bit of karaoke interlude for the final one.
Yes.
Hey, grandson. Singing.
All right. Next.
You do one. You do one now. Or should I put the battery back on? Battery back on.
I'm ready to go. Standing here outside the door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye. But the dawn is breaking, it's early morning. The taxi's waiting, his brain is home. Already I'm so lonesome I could die. So go and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. I hate to go.
It's got a cold.
Many times I'll let you down. Many times I'll play you around. I tell you now, they don't mean a thing.
come back. Oh, your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Let's go. I hate to. Oh, you sound like Frank now. Now you're sounding like Frank. Who's Frank? One more time, let me. Sinatra. I'll be on my way about the days to come when I won't have to leave.
Now pass me the cover, I'll choose one for him.
About the time I won't have to.
Number 7. Number 7.
Let's get hit it, girls, for dinner.
So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. 'Cause I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again.
Number 7.
And I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again.
I know which one you want. I know which one you want.
Please ride on me, king of the road. Third box called midnight train. Oh, destination that go. Oh, worn out as you. I pay no union dues. Social needs I have found. Sure enough to be go around. Please ride on me, king of the road.
Every train, all the children, all the days, every time, and every song that I play. Bullshit, no rain, rooms let the sea.
Sorry, I thought it was empty.
No fool, no place. I ain't got no union ring. King of the road.
Okay, guys, I'm not song. No, kids are ready.
And all that ain't
Every night and every time, and every long day,
We're going to have one more sing along and then the children are going to perform the last item.
He needs one to
Start spreading the news. I want to be a part of this.
Another song.
Sorry, I had to cut it.
Well, Lima, thank you for your looking after the kids, and we appreciate it.
Blow them out there, don't breathe too hard on them.
Out.
Blow it, Dad.
Okay.
Give Grandpa help.
Come on, kids.
Make a wish.
Need the kids to help you when you're ready, Dad.
When you're ready.
Ready, steady, go! Everyone sit down, please.
Being here in Sydney, you know, sometimes I think, what if they weren't there? You know, I really, they're like, you know, the rocks. There's a rock in the foundation of our family. And
Your empowering matter.
yeah. I'm trying to be poetic, but it's true. They're just so solid. They're always there. They can always talk. I always hassle them. If I need help, someone, they know I'm always saying, oh, how do you say this and how do you say that? You know, the Samoan language is something that I really treasure so much. It connects me with my aina, it connects me with the ones who are gone, mum, grandma, granddad, all the people that are gone. But through Dylan and Lima and through their memories and their knowledge of things, I'm always with you. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah. Love yous and thank you, my beautiful nephews and nieces, Robert, Angelique and Melody, and beautiful Andrew, and all the beautiful kids.
Also, I'd like to thank Tony as well.
I have to tell you a sad story. Because I'm leaving on next Thursday to New Zealand. But The sad thing is your mom, she only pay 1 week for me. So, I don't know what to do. She paid only 1 week.
Divorce.
Huh?
Divorce. Divorce.
Yeah, I don't know what to do, you know. It's only 1 week.
Don't worry, be happy.
Lima, don't worry. Both people. Catch it and do that.
I'm going to catch me off the bus over there.
Okay.
I just wanted to say something, then I'm going to hand it to the oldest Sasangi child. I just wanted to say we were all looking, and we can thank Angelique for that fantastic invitation that she sent out to everybody. And it does say the coconut doesn't fall far from the tree. And we were talking about what it actually meant, and to me it meant Dad was the tree and we were the coconuts, and we'll never fall far from him. And even if we break in two, we still hold. So I'd like to hand it to my oldest brother now.
Okay.
It's the biggest coconut of
Oh,
I'm still coming to terms with that breaking two still whole, but I don't know
metaphor.
at all.
Yes, thank you very much for Eric Lyson.
Okay, but yes, I guess it's fallen on me to thank everyone for coming over today. Really, if you're going to thank anyone for the food, please thank the girls. All I did was get up and cook the pork this morning. And well, they're the ones that and Melinda, they did most of the work, and yeah, well, Kath too. I suppose it's a measure of Dad, how many people have come a long way just to come and see him and celebrate his birthday with him. It's certainly an indication of the regard he's held in within the family. With us kids, we're glad to do anything. Once we could let Mum actually let us do it, you wouldn't believe the discussion we had in the planning stages. Mum was almost biting her knuckle off trying to stop from saying anything. But yeah, well, Dad, what can you say about Dad? I suppose, like CHP, he's a quiet achiever. Doesn't say much, but he's got a hard belt. But to us, he's always been good. It's glad that we could do something for him today, and hope he enjoys the trip to Samoa.
Dunedin.
I thought you were going to Samoa.
Robert, it's Rich Dunedin, it's Rich Samuel.
Samoa mates, okay.
They live in
But
Macau.
hope you enjoy the holiday. So yeah, special thanks to everyone that's come a long distance. Andrew, all the way from Perth. I hope the rest of you catches up soon. Thanks for coming all the way from the sunny Gold Coast.
Oi.
Bruce, cappuccino.
Mr. Mocha.
And Dini, of course. Our resident musician student extraordinaire. And Michael, got anyone else?
Thanks for the use of the house. I guess.
I was thinking the distant people. I was getting to that. Hey, recruited. I went winning straight now. It just sounded pointless and But on behalf of all the kids, thank you all for coming today. I'm glad it was a success. It's always been our way with Dad to just do what we're told, but we're glad that we got to do something that we wanted to do. Okay, and thanks again.
I'm a real simple when it comes to this sort of situation. I'm feeling a bit teary-eyed as it is. Just mind the lump in my throat. But first of all, happy birthday, Dad. There's nothing much that I can say. My actions speak louder than my words, which goes on behalf of the whole family and everybody, as you know. And just being the youngest of the family, it's really hard to try and to try and just sprout in a way. Because no matter how old you get, as you grow older, as soon as the elders come along, you always still feel that younger. You never get as old. And sort of always relate to that saying Mum used to say, kids are there to be seen and not heard. Sort of carried that along with me, but it's it's really good being in this family environment. And I've always been one to think about winning the lotto and wanting a heap of money and just trying to live easily, but there's nothing more wealthier than just the love that we have between us all here. And there's nothing that I find, money cannot ever buy this. And it's something that you learn as you get older. And I'm just glad to have been brought up in a family that's made my building blocks as it is now. It makes me feel like a solid person being amongst this environment of love and happiness, and that's priceless compared to money. And I'm just really happy.
Couldn't talk.
Thank you everybody for being here as well.
Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us here. Oh my God, he's got a chocolate strawberry. Have a look. Turn the lights on.
Turn the lights on.
Where's that light, Andrew? Where's the side?
Sorry.
No, it's behind you, go.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
It's a knife for the cake. Oh. Yeah, I've been staring. Get it on your feet, Tony, Jane, and Andrew, little Andrew. Big Andrew's present is at my house, by the way. I forgot to bring it. Huh?
This is your wish.
Oh, I wonder how that came.
I don't know.
Learn how to play.
I don't know. Sometimes I tune up the ukulele like a mandolin.
Yeah.
Long time ago. Long time ago, and I used to do the
Uncle Foy used to have a mandolin. Uncle Foy did.
pretty much the same.
Something else.
Play some Bristol, man. Only brain. If you trust me, the lady love is brain. She got him rock to it. It's a wash me. This is the rock guitarist.
From other people, must wash me. Good one. Beautiful one. Very good I'd like to hear it.
Ezekiel. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting of that.
To Lima, thank you Lima for being the great man you are. Always there for the family and never any thought for yourself. You will always hold a special place in our hearts. Love Bruce, Vicky, April, Grace and BJ.
Thank you, bro.
And he's an All Black.
A real
Not to mention the clothing and the Calvin Klein under. Which Andrew will probably inherit.
Can I come with you now? To Lima, and it's only the beginning. Love Leia, Susan and Zara.
Thank you.
Do you want to give me some, Grandpa?
Hello?
Hey, don't be used to that. Oi, 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 oi.
This is from Fraser and Sue.
We didn't trust Andrew with it, so he gave it to me.
Nice move.
Clever move because
I love my
otherwise
brother.
how did you get
I love my brother.
Oh, you're brilliant.
It's absolutely non-fattening. I love it.
Was that?
Funny.
Yeah.
That I like the chocolate.
Okay. You understood it. You're my someone. It didn't make any sense, but it's all right.
I suppose they sort of say they all travel the same path as like we're heading on and sticking strong and solid with us and getting us to where we're at today. Following the same path. Makes us all a family.
Good balance.
Whatever nature, yeah. So it just balances everything out.
We're all blessed.
Yeah, we are all blessed. And
White, brown, white, bread, leg.
but yeah, that was it. Yeah, just sticking strong with the crazier and weirder side of probably what you're used to growing up through or something like that. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Was just say thank you for.
Where my people have toiled since time begun, I may say many a thing. For sure.
All your grandchildren. Anywhere you want, Dave. Cut it straight.
Came to me by my father, all my days I will sing praise of your forest waters, your shining sun. As morning breaks, the heaven on high, I lift my
I've got it in the bag. Has it got a flash on it? Oh. It's out there in the plastic bag on the little coffee table. In that ribbon plastic bag.
Just don't want to bake the cake. Right?
I've got to go and get... Don't do that. Hurry up, I need a singer. And there was music, and there was wonderful roses. They were heavy and sweet, fragrant meadows. Take a break, Is it up? There was no
Right.
But I want to read some stuff.
Little movies, so they're going to sing it together and Emma's going to help her.
Yes, ready, Mr. Youssef. Oh, no, they're ready to lift it back.
Step forward to the Stella. Look at your granddad. Sing to all of us. To your grandfather. No, it's not. Then you won't hear it.
Have you ever seen such a beautiful night? I can almost kiss the stars that shine so bright. When I see you smiling, I go, oh, oh, oh. I would never want to miss this. In my heart, I know what this is. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of. I got somewhere to belong. I got somebody to love. This is what dreams are made
We were like stunned others. We were like this. Yes. Take it up. What wait, there's more.
I've got somewhere to belong. I've got somebody to love. This is a dream. Oh, baby.
This here, right?
Andrew, this is Big Norman. He said, how do you reckon I blocked one of Andrew's punches? And I did like this. Dick, you should say. Oh, well, people wanted to be seen. Andrew and would come through. Are we going to start the show? Dino's up. Oi! Right. Rose. Yeah. You reckon you have some one done before I go?
Pardon?
Take back the bracelet. Take one down.
Yeah. Give me
I know you wanna leave me. I refuse to let you go. I beg, please, for your sympathy. I don't mind, 'cause you mean that. Well, I heard a crying man who's half a man, no sense of pride. Forgot the words. I wanna keep you anyway I can. We're back together. Please don't leave me down. Ain't you tried to be, baby, baby?
Sing along, Lena. Sing.
On your doorstep all night and day, keep you from walking away. Put your hands laugh, even this I can stand, 'cause I don't wanna keep you anyway I can. Ain't too much to tell you about it.
You sing with us. Sing with us. You got carried away.
Yeah, I did. I was busy singing.
I wanted my sister to sing with me.
Where's Andrew? Is he going to sing with you?
Andrew, you ready?
Here you go.
And now it is my little brother,
Oh, good song.
unite. Like a Christmas yo-yo. Jamming, 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 jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, 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 jamming. We're jamming yo-yo. Holy my Zion, holy my Zion. Just sit in my Zion. Times upon my pride. The love I can't resist. So turn by my side. We're jamming, 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 jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, jamming.
As you carried you, but you did really good. You can sing now. Can I? Yeah. Oh. Remember you used to always say that you were so flat before? Oh, you were singing really beautifully. I love that song. Sorry.
I think you Thank you very much.
Oh, come here. Yeah, I got him something to eat.
I want to get something to eat. He's sitting in the pathway.
Just help him up with his plate onto the chair then.
I don't play your union blues, old boogies I have found. Sharpen up your finger round. Man of these, king of the road.
No, every day, every trade. Oh, children and all of their names. Every town and every love place, love
Christmas Lawrence, Bruce electricity.
Sorry, I thought it was empty.
No phone,
No fool, no fish. Ain't got no cigarette. Pushing brooms.
would anybody put chains on me? Everybody wants you to be what you want them to be. I want you to be. Leave me when I'm trying to fake it. Nice breeze. Yeah. Sorry. I said it's that nice breeze. sorry because he was going in.
What's that?
She went to Della's.
Why?
Because you wanted to go and watch Foxtel. What do you think?
I want to go there.
Then you wouldn't have a slave for the night. Come on, get real.
TV's better.
TV's better than a slave. BJ, what's your name? What's BJ stand for? What's your whole name?
Bruce Jr.
No, you've got a whole name, haven't you? Junior's not your surname.
Well,
What's your whole name? What's your middle name?
What?
What's your middle name?
James. Oh, Bruce Jr.
Bruce Elliott James. Okay. Beach.
What?
Beach, that's what I'm going to call you, Beach. Is that a good name? Have you got another nickname other than BJ? Okay.
What's your last name then?
James. James. Yeah. With the stars above in the sky. Fantabulous nights to make romance. Beneath the summer sky. Hey, you should do your dance. Abel. Can I video your dance? It's a really good move. Are you shy?
Not even. My son's not shy. My son's not shy.
Pretending to be shy. Vicky and Della aren't shy. Now you're being tested. Oh yeah, and he's up to the till. That's my favourite.